Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will talk about content marketing and we will see some examples of content marketing. So, let's begin. So, what is content marketing? Content marketing is all about delivering valuable, relevant, and consistent content to your audience so they naturally become interested in your products or services. Content marketing is a digital marketing strategy focused on creating, sharing, and distributing valuable and relevant content to attract and engage a specific audience with the goal of driving profitable customer action. Now, let's see common types of content marketing: blog posts and articles, social media posts, videos and tutorials, infographics and images, podcast and webinars, ebooks and white papers, email, newsletter. I am making this video and it's a on kind of content marketing.